Hi and welcome back to another machine learning video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a time series analysis using a library from Python. First of all, we'll start by importing the libraries, which are the forecasting library, and we make sure that we are plotting the historical data, and then we're going to create our forecasting, and we're going to set the period for forecasting time. The forecasting time will start from a given time and it will end up at a given period. We also provide the frequency as months, and then we're going to set our forecaster with some probability. Then we're going to create our Y predicted values. So the Y predicted values will come from the forecast prediction. And once we have the forecast prediction, we'll feed the horizons, which are the created dates. And once we do that, now it's time to plot our data against our historical data. Once we do that, we press on run and make sure that the labels are set correctly. Once everything is in place, the application is ready to run. There we go. Now you have your training and the predicted data plotted against each other.